Stop learning n8n in 2026. Learn this instead. n8n is still great, but it has a real ceiling, and in 2026 more builders are hitting it fast. Here's what's actually replacing it for complex work. The ceiling, where n8n starts to wobble. n8n is genuinely fast for straightforward automations. But once your logic gets complex, deep branching, custom error handling, real business rules, the visual canvas turns into a tangled mess that's harder to maintain than actual code. What's replacing it for complex work? AI coding agents. What's actually gaining ground? AI coding agents like Claude Code. You describe what you want in plain language, and it writes the actual automation code, full control, no node-by-node ceiling. Why this isn't a clean replacement? Here's the honest part. Coding agents give you flexibility, but the output is a black box compared to n8n's visible, step-by-step canvas. And n8n's hosting is genuinely more mature and predictable right now. The real skill: knowing which tool fits. The professionals actually winning right now aren't loyal to one tool. They use n8n for quick, visual automations, and switch to AI-assisted coding when the logic gets too complex for a canvas to handle cleanly. What to actually learn? So learn this instead: the underlying fundamentals, APIs, webhooks, and automation logic, since that's what actually transfers between n8n and any coding tool you use next. Full breakdown of when to use each is on my channel. Follow so you're not stuck on one tool.